Join me as I challenge myself to create the ultimate high-fiber breakfast that will supercharge my morning. Having a high-fiber breakfast is crucial in setting yourself up for a fantastic day ahead. It's essential to fuel your body with the right nutrients to tackle whatever life throws your way, and fiber plays a significant role in that. When it comes to breakfast, many of us reach for convenient foods that are sadly lacking in fiber. We've all been there, scrambling to get out the door on time, and grabbing a quick breakfast that's easy to prepare, but not exactly the healthiest option. Things like sugary cereals, white toast, and processed meats might taste great, but they're not doing your body any favors. These kinds of breakfast foods can lead to energy crashes and hunger pangs later in the day, making it difficult to focus and be productive. You might find yourself reaching for another cup of coffee or a sugary snack just to get through the morning, and before you know it, you're trapped in a vicious cycle of highs and lows. And if you're someone who relies on takeout or fast food for breakfast, the fiber content is likely to be extremely low. Many of these items are highly processed, containing added sugars, salt, and unhealthy fats that can do more harm than good. On the other hand, high-fiber breakfast foods can work wonders for your digestive system, energy levels, and overall health. In this video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite high-fiber breakfast options that are easy to prepare, delicious, and will keep you full until lunchtime. Let's start with oatmeal, a classic high-fiber breakfast food that's rich in soluble fiber. Steel-cut oats or rolled oats cooked with milk or water are a great way to begin your day. You can add some fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds to give it a boost of flavor and nutrition. Avocados are another high-fiber food that can be easily incorporated into your breakfast routine. Mash them up and spread them on whole grain toast, or blend them into a smoothie with some banana and spinach. Chia seeds are a powerhouse of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Mix them with some almond milk and let them sit overnight, then top with fresh fruits and nuts in the morning. And finally, whole grain cereals made with bran, quinoa, or kamut are a tasty and convenient way to get your daily dose of fiber. One standout high-fiber recipe that I want to share with you is a breakfast burrito stuffed with scrambled eggs, black beans, and avocado. Simply wrap it all up in a whole grain tortilla, and you've got a nutrient-dense breakfast that's packed with fiber and protein. To take it to the next level, add some sautéed spinach or kale to the scrambled eggs and sprinkle some chia seeds on top of the avocado. This breakfast burrito is not only delicious, but will also keep you full until lunchtime and provide a sustained energy boost throughout the morning. Incorporating high-fiber breakfast foods into your morning routine can have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. By choosing whole nutrient-dense foods, you'll be giving your body the best possible start to the day. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite high-fiber breakfast food? Let me know, and don't forget to check out my next video on healthy eating.